The Emax EZ Pilot Pro RTF FPV drone is the ultimate beginner-friendly FPV racing drone, designed for aspiring pilots and STEM enthusiasts. Engineered for performance, durability, and ease of use, this drone brings the excitement of indoor FPV racing to everyone, regardless of experience level. Key features: beginner-friendly design. Specifically crafted for new pilots, the EZ Pilot Pro offers a budget-conscious design without compromising quality. It's perfect for those taking their first steps into the world of FPV flying. Powerful brushless motors. Equipped with brushless motors, the drone delivers racing-level performance with improved durability and efficiency, outperforming other micro-indoor drones in its category. Durable reimagined frame. Built on the proven Tinyhawk design, the EZ Pilot Pro's frame boasts enhanced thickness and structural integrity, making it one of the most indestructible indoor drones available. Transporter 2 FPV goggles. Includes the revolutionary Transporter 2 FPV goggles, featuring a detachable screen for customizable viewing options. With its high-quality receiver, pilots enjoy crystal-clear video feeds for an immersive flying experience. E8 transmitter for precision control. The E8 transmitter offers unparalleled control, thanks to its high-quality gimbals, ensuring smooth and precise maneuvering. This transmitter is an upgrade from previous models, delivering a superior flight experience. STEM program friendly. Designed with educational purposes in mind, the EZ Pilot Pro is user-friendly and affordable, making it an excellent choice for STEM programs. It aims to inspire the next generation of aviators with its accessible design. Ready-to-fly kit. The EZ Pilot Pro comes fully assembled and includes everything you need to get started, making it hassle-free for beginners. Specifications: drone size, 80mm or 3 inches. Motors, powerful brushless motors. Flight time, optimized for indoor racing. Controller, Emax E8 transmitter. FPV goggles, Transporter 2 with detachable screen. Battery, 1 shv 450 mAh. Perfect for beginners and beyond. The EZ Pilot Pro combines innovation and simplicity, creating an incredible FPV flying experience for beginners while offering advanced features for more experienced pilots. Whether you're racing indoors, exploring STEM programs, or simply enjoying FPV flying, this drone delivers unparalleled performance and fun. Experience the future of FPV racing with the Emax EZ Pilot Pro, the perfect gift for budding pilots and a fantastic choice for schools and hobbyists alike.